First is a tufted pad driver. Here, we're using the Malish padlock. To begin, remove the centering device and expand the flex coupler located in the middle of the flex scrub. Place on the machine and align, reapply the centering device, and you're ready to go. Whether it's a swing machine, auto scrubber, or ride-on, the universal adapter will adjust to fit each. Next is a non-tufted pad driver. Here we have the Malish Mighty Lock. First, remove the centering device and expand the flex coupler. Lay the flex scrub on the machine, and this time you're going to want to push down to collapse the flex coupler. From the side, you'll see as you collapse the flex scrub, it engages with the hooks, ensuring it is adhered securely. This will also work on a Velcro pad driver in the same way. Reapply the centering device and you're all set. A quick and easy installation with no tools required.